Hello guys, welcome back to our channel guys. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe because on this channel we discuss about business and importation guys. So in today's video, as you can see guys, we are doing unboxing video. So I just got my goods here, you see, for my shipping company guys. So today we are going to be unboxing together. So let me put this down here. It's too heavy. So now let's start with this one I have here guys. So now let's unbox together. So this one is a flask guys, you see, it's a flask. So now let's check it. Let's check together guys. See how beautiful it is. So now let's open it together. See guys, it's a flask for your kids guys. So this is back to school item. So now let's check these things. There's something inside I want to check. Okay, see, you can just put this around here guys, around the handle. So there's a pin here. There is a pin here that you can use it to pin around this handle here, so it will make it look more beautiful guys. So now let's check another product out. So I actually bought this for my sister. She stays in Spain, so she's not in Nigeria currently. So she told me to help her to order this for her kids. So now the goods has arrived in Nigeria, so I will have to ship this to our kids guys. So now let's check another product right here. Wait, almost in a minute. Okay, let me put that right here. So I also have two more guys. So I ordered three. So these two are for my customers, but one is for my sister that I told you she stays in Spain. So now let's check another product right here. So these are kids watch guys. So check these out. You see guys. So these are kids watch. See how beautiful it looks. Let me put it right here. You see guys, so these are kids watch guys. So now let's check another product. So these are like back to school items. So because who owns this product are female guys. Everybody are females. Like I said in my contact, like most people are females. Like 90% of people in my contact are actually females, because most of the people I help to buy goods from China guys, most of them are females guys. So now this is another watch too guys. See how beautiful it looks. Can you see clearly? Yeah, all the focus. So this is another watch also. So now let's check out this bag. Guys, check out this bag guys. This bag is very beautiful, like very beautiful. So let me unbox for you so we can check together. So see how it look like. And one thing I love about this bag is that there are a lot of things that you can put around this bag that will beautify it. What do I mean by that? Just wait, let me show you some. So let me just, you see guys, so the bag has a lunch bag, and it also has a mini purse guys. You see, this is 3-in-1 bag guys. So it has a lunch bag and it has a mini purse. So what I mean by then is that, check out this thing guys. So you can put all these things at the back of this bag guys, so it will beautify the bag. I have a lot here. I have like 2 or 3 here that you can put at the back of the bag. So let's check out this one too. As you can see, you can put all these things, so it will make the bag look more beautiful, guys. So now let me drop that. I also have another product I also want to show you. There are a lot of products here. So another bag I also want to show you is that this bag. So this is also a 3-in-1 bag, guys. So this bag has a troller. So I will show you an image of the troller. See this bag? Everything are from China, guys. I import everything from China directly to Nigeria, guys. So now let me show you the launch bag of this bag also. So this also has a mini bag and a purse. So this is a launch bag and this is a purse. So as you can see here, so you can put your flags in here, and then this is a mini purse for your kids, guys. So actually I bought 2 pieces, guys. There's also another one here. You see, I bought 2 pieces of this bag. So it also has a trolley, guys, like I said. You see here, so you can just put your bag here. So just like this, you put your bag. See, guys, so it has a trolley, guys, and you can just enlarge this thing. See, so guys, China importation is a high money, guys. You won't believe how much I got all these things for. I think this bag I got it around 10.5, yes, 10.5 with the trolley, everything, guys, minus shipping fee. But the bag, the trolley and everything, I got it for 10.5. If you see how much this thing is selling for in Nigeria, guys, you won't believe it. You can also check online, guys, and then you'll see, like on Instagram, I think I saw like, I think I saw like 56k. Yeah, I saw 56k, guys, for this trolley bag. 56,000 naira. Guys, you need to learn importation, guys. So if you want to get started, like I said, you can check out our video to get started, guys. So I dropped a lot of video on my channel that will help you start your importation journey. So now let's also check another product. So this is feeding bottle, guys. So this bottle is actually beautiful, guys, as you can see here. So I also bought like 2 or 3 pieces of this. See, and this is another bottle also, as you can see. So I also bought like 2 pieces. So guys, I think that's everything I bought, right? Yeah, I think that's everything I got. Yeah, that's everything I got, guys. So as you can see, guys, importation is knowledge. So if you have the knowledge, you can also be an importer just like me and help people buy goods from China down to Nigeria, or you can even buy it for yourself, guys. Like, you don't need to be helping people to buy goods. You can learn importation for personal use. You can learn it for personal shopping item, guys. So that is how it is, guys. So thank you for watching this video, and make sure you like and subscribe if you are still watching this video to this point. So that will be all for this video, guys, and see you next time. Bye for now.